Most people have heard of this insanely ridiculous new app called TikTok. You've heard of it, I've heard of it. About 700 million people use it every single day. And it's where people post short videos of themselves doing random activities, anything they want, in 60 seconds or less. And the best part about it is that regular, normal people are going viral on this app every single day. But the one problem is people don't know how to make money on TikTok. And this is because TikTok doesn't have the same ad revenue program that YouTube has, and because TikTok is still very, very new. So, I'm gonna show you how you can make $1,000 in 1 week or less having absolutely no followers from a completely new account. And originally, I was gonna do this video in a challenge video format where I was gonna try and get $1,000 in 1 week or less. But I decided that it would be better to show you guys the different methods you can use to make money first, and then later on, I'll do the challenge video. So just comment down below if you think and you'd like to see a challenge video where I try and make $1,000 from a completely brand new TikTok account in 1 week or less. So let's not waste any time, let's just get right into it. Hey guys, it's Michael here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you had a wonderful, wonderful day. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at how to make $1,000 in 1 week or less from a completely brand new TikTok account with absolutely zero followers. But before we begin, I just want to remind you that you could use my links in the description to get 3 free stocks. You get 1 free stock from Robinhood and 2 free stocks from Webull. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. Everyone has heard of the crazy stories of random people going viral for random reasons on TikTok. So I thought it would be important for me to show you how to monetize these videos. Reason being is that if you can monetize one video and it happens to go viral, you could pay your rent with one 30-second video. Your whole month's rent with one simple 30-second video. That is crazy. So, going about making money on TikTok, you really only have 3 options. And if you have 0 followers, you really only have 1. So, the first option to make money on TikTok is to have companies pay you to advertise their products or services in your video. If you don't have any followers, this won't really work. So the second way that you can make money on TikTok is by funneling your TikTok followers over to YouTube and other platforms, because on other platforms like YouTube, it's easy to make money. But again, if you have 0 followers, it won't work out too well for you. So the third way, and the way that someone with 0 followers or very few followers can make money on TikTok, is by simply referring their friends to download different apps. Let me explain, that's a little complicated. The way it works is that you have apps on your phone, and most of them have ways where you can refer your friends and get money, rewards, prizes. You can get rewards by simply referring your friends. So, the way it works and what you should do is you make videos about these apps and you tell the people watching to download that app using your link. Great, right? I mean, you could talk about any app. All the apps have these sort of referral programs. You could talk about DoorDash, Postmates, Acorns Investing, but you want to make it align with what you like and what you would actually use for yourself. So, on my TikTok account, I talk about making money, finance, investing, just like I do here on YouTube. I only refer people to the apps that I actually have on my phone. And let me go and show you how I go about picking which apps to refer to people on TikTok. On my TikTok account, I talk about making money, finance, investing, like I just said. So, telling people to download free apps that help them with their finances, but also give them free money, free stocks, $5, whatever it gives them, that's absolutely great. One example of a company that does this is one that we all know. It's a safe one for me to tell you guys about, and that is Uber, because everyone can relate to Uber. On Uber, at least they used to do this, I think they still do, but if you refer a friend and you invite them and they download the app and sign up, you both get a credit to your account, about $5, something like that. So, it's the same way with other apps, except they have different deals and different offers. For my stocks, I use apps like Robinhood and Webull. So what I do is I tell people about these apps, what they do, how great they are, and I tell people to use the link in the description to download the app. Then we both get free stocks. With Robinhood, if you use the link, you get 1 free stock, and if you use Webull, you get 2 free stocks. But if you're not into finance or about making money, and that's not your sort of thing, everyone likes food, right? So if you like food, you can invite someone to Postmates or DoorDash, and you could get a credit, so then you could buy food. On Postmates, you get up to $100 in credit by inviting a friend. That's crazy. Before I ever talk about an app on TikTok and tell people to download it, I have a process that I go through that you should do too. The first thing I do is I gotta figure out what I want to talk about. What sort of apps relate to what I normally say? What do I like? What do I use on my daily basis and for my finances? Then what I do is I download that app and I use it for a week or two. See if I like it. If I don't like it, automatically toss that one out, not telling anyone about that. But if I like the app, and if I really, really do like that app, I will then put it on my list to talk about in my TikTok videos. Just like in real life, think about it. If you don't like something, if you don't like a restaurant, you don't like a company, you don't like a brand, you'll tell your friend, just say, I don't like this. But if you like it, you'll refer it to them. You'll say, hey, look, you should try out this company, this restaurant. It's really great. So think of making your TikTok videos with the referral codes the same way as you would telling your friends. Next, after I see what apps I have and I like, I go into the apps and I find where the promotional code, where the referral code, the invite code is. Copy and paste that, and then you're ready to make your video. You have that code in your hand, you're ready. I use my set number of apps. I have, 3, 4, maybe 5 that I'll refer to people, but after that, I just don't use all the apps. So I talk about apps I use, I got the code ready. Now to make the videos, all you have to do is make a simple video. It doesn't have to be crazy, it doesn't have to have crazy edits, you don't have to dance. I don't dance in any of my videos. I can't dance. So, after you decide on what you want to do and how you're going to make the video, you just film it and edit it. Here's what one of my videos looks like. It's really simple, really easy. How you can make $2,800 by the end of today. Use my referral link in the description to sign up for Webull. Webull is an investing app on iOS and Android. Then, make a deposit of any amount, $1, $10, $100 to start your investing account. Once the deposit clears, you'll receive 2 free stocks, each valued up to $1,400. Then, click on your menu in Webull and click Claim Free Stocks. You'll receive the 2 stocks from signing up with my link, and then you can use your link to invite more friends and you can receive more free stocks. See, this was a really simple video and I got 30,000 views in under 3 hours. Very simple, very easy, but it was effective. That's all that matters. And the good thing is, someone with 0 followers, an account with 0 followers, is at an advantage. And you'd be surprised. Let me explain. An account with 0 followers, you could talk about any apps you want. But on an account like my account, where I only really talk about finance, investing, making money, if I post something about free food, using Postmates or DoorDash, wouldn't really be relevant to my channel, what I talk about. Wouldn't work as well. But if you're new, you can talk about food, and then you can talk about making money with investing apps. You could talk about anything, which is great. You're not stuck to one genre or one category of apps. At this point, you're probably thinking, what apps do I use? What do I talk about in my videos? And essentially, it's the same thing I talk about here in my YouTube videos. I talk about 3 or 4 main apps, and those are Acorns Investing, Robinhood, Webull, and I recently downloaded M1 Finance. So I started to talk about that a little bit on my TikTok as well. And what sorts of deals do these companies offer? Well, as you guys know, with Robinhood, you could get 1 free stock. With Webull, you can get 2 free stocks. With Acorns Investing, you get $5. And with M1 Finance, you get $20 when you refer a friend or someone and they use their link and they sign up and deposit money into their account. There are so many promotional deals that these companies offer, and they all are different. Any apps that you pick, I would bet that they have some sort of deal for inviting a friend. And another thing to remember is at different times of the year, they have specials going on. For example, with M1 Finance right now in January of 2020, if you refer 10 people and you get 10 people to sign up and deposit money into their account, they give you a $1,000. That is a $1,000 bonus. So that means if you refer 10 friends to M1 Finance in the month of January of 2020, you'll get $1,200. Yeah, $1,200. That's $200 from your standard $20 referral fee, and you'll get $1,000 as a bonus for getting 10 people. So if you look out for those specials and those special promotions, you can easily make $1,000 in a week, because even if you have 0 followers, posting a video on TikTok, you can get a lot of followers really quickly. So if you only had 10 people, 10 random people, download M1 Finance and deposit money into your account, into their account, you would make an extra $1,000. So see, you might be thinking it's hard, and it is hard, but it's definitely doable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please like my video down below. Subscribe to my channel, which you probably all should be subscribed to my channel. And just a reminder, if you want 2 free stocks, download Webull. They're valued up to $1,400 each. If you want 1 free stock, go to Robinhood. Use my link in the description. And with Acorns Investing, it's an easy $5. Just use the link in the description. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, until next time.